Hello traders, so I'm back with another video. So without wasting any time, let's get started. As you can see, we are on the live chart, and as you can see, the market is moving in the downward direction. So what I need is a breakout. As I can see, there is a support level. It's a strong support level. So if there is a breakout, we can take the trade in the direction of the trend. Otherwise, no. So let's wait. Okay, so it's a breakout. As I can see, it's a clear breakout from that support level in the direction of the trend. So let me first explain you the trade here. As you can see, market is moving in the downward direction, so we are taking the trade in the direction of the trend, which is a good thing. Second thing, market was moving up and down, which is called retracement and the continuation of the trend. And what I see here, that there was a support level from which the market retraces itself. It goes up, it comes down, it goes again up. Market was trying to reverse, but it failed, and in return gives us two strong bearish candlestick, and one broke the level of immediate support. So what I needed a good confirmation, which was this candlestick, this breakout, and that's why I took the trade in the direction of the trend, and that's how I took the trade. So let's wait for the results, and I'm sure that we are going to win this trade. So let's wait for the results. So as you can see, we have won this trade. So let me again explain this trade so that if you miss anything, you will get it again. So first of all, what I saw that the market was moving in the trend. So my priority was to take the trade in the direction of the trend. So if there is a breakout, it's a great thing because the breakout will make the trend to move forward. So what I was waiting for a breakout here, what I saw here that there was a support level here from where the market reverses itself. It's called retracement. The market retraces itself. It comes down. It again tries to go up but failed miserably because the pressure is from the seller's side. I can see the pressure from this candle and this candle also. Market tried very hard to go in the upward direction, but it failed. It goes down, and the second candle was even better. The momentum was high, the volume was high, and the candlestick was very, very strong. And this strong candlestick suggested only one thing, that sellers are motivated, and they broke through this very support level, and that's why there is a breakout. And I was sure that the momentum, the trend, and the level that has been broken suggests one thing only, that is the market will go down for the next 5 to 10 minutes. That's why I took a 5-minute trades. If you don't understand why I take 5-minute trades, whenever there is a breakout, I take 5-minute trade because sometimes there are reversals which makes us to lose money, and that's why I want the market to take its time so that we go with profit. And that's how I take this trade. And if you find value in this video, make sure you like this video and share with your group or whatever if you want to do so, and follow us so that you can get the future updated videos. I will take trades and will explain in the coming times. So stay with us. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.